Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Advanced Fix section of the LSP Cake Smash Cutie Photoshop Actions to fix distractions, backgrounds, and to brighten up a white image. You can find other video tutorials over on the LSP website under videos to show you some more information about using this section here. This is just one example. I'm using this lovely image from Megan Jack Photography. Zoom in a little bit here. So on the Advanced Fix section, the first thing you need to do is click here to create a duplicate fixing layer. If you haven't yet installed the actions, but you do want to watch video 1 for how to get them installed and looking like this, it takes just 30 seconds to get them into coloured button mode in your computer. And this creates a brand new layer to work on when you're fixing anything so you don't end up going over the background in case you make a mistake. The next thing you're going to want to do is select the patch tool here. That's on your spot healing brush. You could also use lasso, but I prefer to use patch for this one. So you can see here, when you use a reflective backdrop, something you need to be aware of is reflections of perhaps parents standing over, of equipment, lighting stands, anything like that. So have a look and see what you need to remove. You can simply draw around this with the patch tool, just drawing around it there, nice loose selection, and play the LSP Select and Fix background. And that one has disappeared now, so we can just highlight that little bit there, and again, the LSP Select and Fix background and distraction fixture, so we can go on and off there, it's gone. Anything you can just draw around and play that action to fix it. Let's just do that one more time. Cool. This string here that's holding the balloon garland up, again, select and fix. Same here. And you can make multiple selections by holding down the Shift key too, if you want to fix a few things at once. There's a little wrinkle there, let's just do that. So you can see I'm just highlighting these. We have another little distraction here. Don't want to get rid of that cookie as well. We can always add another one in. Select and fix. So we're just cleaning up this background here. And so on. Now another thing we're going to use for this one is the whiten up double white background. So pay that. And it's going to select a black brush for you. You see here? You can make this brush bigger, and you can paint this off any way you don't want the brightness to show. You can turn the opacity of this one up. Take that flow down a little, take this off some of the background there, because I wanted to match the shiny floor with the background. So we can see here now, that's where we started, before and after. And you can also use Select and Fix to kind of, if you have a seam at the back where your floor meets the wall. So let's create a new duplicate fixing layer now because we've done some further editing. Grab your patch tool and you can play Select and Fix. Because you're on patch tool as well, you can simply grab and patch if you need to. You try not to patch anything on this time. You can simply undo that and do it again if you want to. So just patching that out. Or use the LSP Select and Fix action here. If it doesn't get it right, just patch it. Nice and easy. So before and after, we've just merged that floor in a little bit there. You can catch all the tutorials over on the LSP Actions website at www.lsp-actions.com. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.